Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best water softener cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is ResCare RK41N Water Softener Cleaner. ResCare RK41N is an all-purpose liquid resin cleaner that is specially made to remove the harmful elements from your water softener along with the salt. Moreover, it can return back the effectiveness and efficiency of your water softener. It helps the salt to remove the harmful contaminants that salt is not able to clean alone. It is considered a powerful and effective cleaner that works quickly. In addition to this, it helps in restoring the softener beads and helps maintain the quality and durability of the water softener. Furthermore, it works well on many water softeners and filter systems to increase the quality of the soft and enhance the life of your water softener. This water softener cleaner is a user-friendly cleaner and easy to use. You just have to put 4 ounces into the salt reservoir of your appliance and the softener restores. It is easy to pour into the water softener's tank. Additionally, it comes in a bottle with a handle that offers easy and mess-free pouring. This water softener is made in the USA to ensure it works perfectly. Number 2. Our second best pick is ResCare RK64N Water Softener Cleaner. ResCare RK64N is a liquid resin that is designed to clean the water softener with the help of salt. The regular use of the cleaner removes the contaminants from the resin bed, valve, and softener as well as increase the life and the efficiency of the water softeners. Furthermore, this water softener cleaner is compatible with almost every softener. It enhances the taste, removes stains, and foul odor from the softeners. Like other water softener cleaners, it is also very easy to use and pours quickly without any mess as it has a handle on the top. Add 0.5 cup or 4 ounces of cleaner into the brine well per cubic feet and restores the softener manually. It is highly effective in cleaning and removing the contaminants from your water softener and increases life and makes it more efficient in working. ResCare RK64N All-Purpose Softener Cleaner is certified to NSF/ANSI 60 that makes sure it is an effective cleaner. A very budget-friendly product that works great and costs less. Number 3. Our third best pick is Morton MWSC Universal Water Softener Cleanser. Morton MWSC is designed to remove the deposits from the resin bed, valve, and softener with the help of the salt, and that was created by the hard water. It effectively eliminates the rust, iron, dirt, and sediments from the resin bed to increase the efficiency and durability of your water softener. These deposits and other harmful contaminants minimize the efficiency and life of the water softener. Furthermore, it is designed to serve Kenmore, Morton, GE, Whirlpool, Culligan, EcoPure, Omni, and many other brands. A user-friendly water softener cleaner that comes in a ready-to-use form. Pour the full 1 bottle in the brine well and allow the softener to regenerate manually. Moreover, use this water softener at least 3 times a year after the first time. We recommend using it after every 4 months to maintain the quality of your water softener, and it can increase the life of your softener up to 5 years. The price tag attached to Morton MWSC is very reasonable, and it is also considered one of the economical water softener cleaners. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EcoPure EPCL Water Softener Cleaner. EcoPure EPCL Universal helps the salt to remove the dangerous deposits that are created by the hard water in the water tank, valve, and system. It helps in eliminating the iron, dirt, rust, sediments, and other deposits that reduce the efficiency of the softener. It is designed for the softeners made by Culligan, EcoPure, Morton, Whirlpool, EcoPure, Kenmore, Omni, GE, and many other water softeners. It is very easy to use as it comes with ready-to-use features. You don't need to mix or prepare. You just have to add the cleaner in the brine well and allow the softener to restore and repeat the process if needed. It increases efficiency as well as the life of the water softener. For better results, we recommend using it after every 4 months and see the results. The price of this water softener cleaner is low and it is considered one of the best budget-friendly cleaners. The quantity of cleaner is 16 ounces. The dimensions of the EcoPure EPCL are 3.50 by 1.50 by 8.50 inches. The weight of the universal water softener cleaner is 1 pound. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Pro-Ban T Water Softener Cleaner. Pro-Ban T is a cleaner as well as pH adjuster and is designed to clean tannins from the resin bed and can restore water softener efficiency. It is a water neutralizer and can remove limescale, iron, deposits, and other contaminants effectively and enhance the efficiency and life of the water softener. Dissolve 2 cups of Pro-Ban T powder in the warm water and make sure it is dissolved completely. Add the solution to the brine well or the tank when the level of salt is low and restores the water softener manually. Pro-Ban T Softener Cleaner is certified to NSF/ANSI 60 that makes sure it is an effective cleaner. The dimensions of the Whirlpool formula are 5.5 by 4 by 9.5 inches. The weight of the water softener cleaner is 4.25 pounds. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.